So I'm draining my AP bucket, otherwise known as copper II Etchant, and we can see some of the gold foils in there. I'll filter that out later, but I was planning on putting, I might have to go after it now. I was planning on putting some circuit boards in there to go after some chips and to clean it up. I'll probably rinse this off and capture it. Just store it for later. Might as well do it, you know. So I'm going to cut up these boards here to go after the chips. I'm going to cut it off and trim it so I don't have to have those resistors in my AP and to get the maximum use out of my AP. So, welcome back. We're going to put these in the AP solution to go after the chips. I'm hoping they'll dissolve the legs and then I don't have to worry about the solder. Any silver I'll recover later, but I'm just going to put it in here. We're going to cover it up. And we're going to put that on. I'll put the bubbler on when I have gloves, but we're going to roll after that.